Malwarebytes for Mac, is it actually worth installing? So, hey guys, Malwarebytes for Mac, is it actually worth installing? So here as you can see, this is a screenshot of my girlfriend's Mac. I've used it last time. I took a screenshot and tried the Malwarebytes for only like a few hours. I only tried for like two to 3 hours, and here's what I found out here. So, the end of the myth, why Macs need help. Apple admit it. Apple owns leadership acknowledged in court that Mac malware levels are unaccepted. That Mac does get virus. Era is officially over. Mac don't get virus. Era is officially over. Threats are sophisticated. Insufferent crypto wallet thieves and gatekeeper bypassing ransomware are now targeting macOS users in the wild. Built-in defenses fall short. Xprotect and Gatekeep are reactive by design. They frequently miss phishing sites and emerges zero-day malware families. So here, Malwarebytes for Macs evolution to 2026. Once just a lightweight on-demand scanner, malware has transformed into a full-feature real-time security suite. So Apple Silicon Native, up to 10 times lower CPU footprint with enhanced engaging optimized for M-series chips. External drive scanning detects threats on USB drives and external storage, a critical gap in macOS defaults. A web threat blocking, advanced AI power blocking for phishing sites, malicious downloads, and identity theft vectors. The vertex strength and gaps are where it wins. Blazing fast scans. It has intuitive dashboard, clean and minimal and easy to use, manage even at Mac. World-class adware and PUP detection cache is what competitors ignore. And 2026 AV Lab Product of the Year award winner. Where it falls short, limited report depth, lack polished details, threat reports, no comprehensive firewall, unlike all-in-one rivals like Norton. No parental controls, a gap for family-focused users, less independent testing data and compared to Bitdefender or Norton. Smaller bytes worth it? Here's the answer. Best for who wants fast set it and forget its security without bloating systems resource. Ideal for closing macOS default gaps. Power users, those who needs granular firewall controls or full suite features may want to pair it with complementary software and try it first. Use the risk-free 14-day trial to test its real-world impact on workflow before subscribing. Bottom line, malware for macOS 2026 is essential, high-performing tool, not a complete security suite, but a powerful one that meaningfully raise your Mac's defense floor. So yeah, there you guys. So here is the price. As you can see, I took a screenshot as well before I deleted the account. There you go. As you can see, we have same price as the Windows as well. So there you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any question concerns, type the question below, guys. We'll have to answer as soon as possible. And if you want to click on our link on the description to download your Malwarebytes. So there you guys, and thank you guys.